everyone, my name is Jennifer. Warmly welcome you to our Fastener and Pad machinery. Today I'm going to introduce to you how to use the machine to help you cut and pad the different furniture fitting into the one bed. It will help you to save a lot of the labor cost. Okay, let me introduce to you each part of the machine one by one. Okay, you could see this whole set of the solution consists of the 18 counting bolts for the different fastener and screw, bolt and nut. Each counting bolt will be count the different fastener into the conveyor belt and then to pack into the machine. Let's see. You can see this counting bolt, it will count the plastic items one by one to transport by this belt. And the plastic item will go through this eye sensor and then fall down into this weight checker. The weight checker will be double tapped if the amount is get the target. If correct, it will output to this conveyor belt. If wrong, it will output in this weight hopper. In this way, the machines will make sure if each plastic item in the correct amount and the weight accuracy is 1%. Each counting bolt is with the double weight checker in like this way. And this one will check the plastic item or fastener if wrong amount or correct amount. If correct amount, you will output in right way, and if wrong amount, you will output in left way. It will help you to choose the correct amount. Okay, you can see there is a support platform. This support platform is for the worker to put the metal fasteners or some, if you want to increase some plastic item into the bed, you just need to put into this storage hopper and the conveyor will be collect and packed together. Firstly, there is a green line. When the green line is on, you remind you to put the fastener into the hopper and the machine will be worked and packed together. Okay, you can see this conveyor belt will be transported each plastic item or fastener into the machine to pack automatically. The roll packing field is stored here to go through the day printer. The day printer and wall printer will print the logo information and product information and also the barcode into the bed directly. After the machine finished to pack the plastic item into the bag, how to check if the amount is correct? This weight checker will help you. The weight checker is in high accuracy. It will help you to choose which one is the correct pack, and this place is the wrong place. It will output here. If the bag is the correct, it will output to there. So this machine will help you to make sure each bed is in the correct amount. Okay, now I believe you have strong interest on this machine, how to pad. If you have any question on this machine, feel free to contact us. Our sales manager will support you 24 hours online. Bye. See you next time.